Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on my channel. Today we are diving into the world of design wizardry with Canva's Magic Design feature. If you've ever struggled with creating captivating presentations that truly stand out, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of Canva's Magic Design tool, helping you transform your ideas into stunning presentations with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, a trainer, a presenter, or a student, get ready to take your presentation game to the next level. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a stunning presentation by just writing a short command in Canva. I would also tell you how you can improve the content of your presentation through Canva's magic features. But before we move on, I would like to introduce you to this article on Canva's Magic Design feature for creating presentations. I'm also pasting the link of this article in the description. Here you can find more detailed guidelines and limitations of this feature within Canva. So if you don't want to repeatedly pause this video, you can later go and check this article as well to get detailed guidelines about Canva's Magic Design feature for creating your presentations. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the magic behind Canva's design prowess. In order to make our presentation, we would go to this ribbon on the top, and here we would click on this option of presentations, and it will give us different sizes of the presentation. We have to choose the first one, which is 16:9 presentation size, because Canva's Magic Design option is only available in this size of the presentation. If we choose any other size of the presentation, the Magic Design option would not be available over there. So we would click on this design and it will open a blank template in front of us. Now, in order to use the Magic Design feature, there are two ways. First one is to look at the panel at the left side of the screen, and here you would see this button of Magic Design, and it is giving you the option to design the presentation by describing the presentation you want, and we'll write and design a draft for you. The other way to find this Magic Design feature is to go to the bottom right of the screen and use Canva's Assistant, and we would click on this button, and here we would find this Magic Design feature as the first feature available in the list. So we would click on this option and it will open a prompt box for us, and it asks us to use 5 or more words to describe your presentation topic. If you're using this Magic Design feature for the first time, you can also check out how to write a prompt by clicking on this button, Try an Example, and it will give you a sample of a prompt, a pitch deck for my yoga homestay startup. If you don't like this prompt, you want another example, you can click it once again and it will give you another example of the prompt, styling proposal from an interior decorator. So you can keep trying as many sample prompts as you want, but we would write our own prompt. Before writing, there's something you need to know, that you need to write minimum 5 words and the maximum limit is 100 letters. So we would write a prompt to describe our presentation. Say we write a presentation on customer service at call center with visual aids and examples. Once we are happy with our prompt, we would hit the enter button and it will take a few seconds. And you can see that it gives us different template styles of the presentation. If we want to have a look at the slides, we can scroll down. So this is the way our first template looks like. If we don't like this template, we can click on the other template and it will give us a preview of the presentation. So that's the way the second style looks like. So similarly, there are multiple templates or designs of the presentation that Canva provides you before creating a final presentation. So let's say we choose this style. So we would click on this button, Create My Presentation. So you can see that a basic level presentation is ready for you. Here's a limitation of Magic Design feature, that it provides you with the basic level of presentation to start with. You don't have to write the content, you don't have to write the text, you don't have to look for the pictures, you don't have to design the backgrounds, you don't have to design the styles of the presentations. So it gives you a good head start to improve your presentation, and it creates maximum up to 10 slides. However, you can add as many pages or slides as you want. And in the later part of this tutorial, I would also tell you how to effectively add more pages, more slides into your presentation through another magic feature of Canva. So stay tuned and let's have a look at the basic slides of our presentation. So it gives us the importance of customer service. It also gives us some quotes about customer service. It also defines what is a call center. It also provides us the types of customer service, and it goes on and on. So you don't have to write the text. However, when you review the text, you can change, edit, or improve your text of the presentation. And for that, we're going to use another feature of Canva, which is Canva's Magic Write. So in this part of the tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can improve the text of the presentation. For that, you would select this text, and first of all, you need to ungroup the heading and the description. For that, you would click on this button, ungroup. So now these are two different text boxes. Let's say you want to improve this text. Currently, it's written here, great customer service can positively impact customer loyalty and business growth. Use active listening, empathy, and problem-solving skills. So if we are not satisfied with this text, we can improve it further. For that, we would click on Canva Assistant button. And here we would see this option at the bottom, Edit with Magic Write. We would click on this option. So it has modified our text. So this is the text which is currently available on our slide. We would hit the Generate button. And this way you can see that it has modified our text and it has made it more detailed. We would do some adjustments. We would drag this heading to the top, and you can see that our modified text is there in the slide. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building customer loyalty and driving business growth. To achieve this, it's important to use active listening skills to understand customers' needs, and so on and on and on. So this way you can easily improve or modify your text of the presentation. Let me tell you one thing, that these magic features, the Magic Design and Magic Write, these are Canva Pro features. They are not available in the Canva's basic version. So if you want to know that how to get the Canva's Pro version for free, you can check that video on my channel, and I'm pasting the link of that video in the description. So in this way you can modify the content or text of all your slides. Now the next part is that how we can improve the visuals of our presentation. Let's say if we don't like any of the visuals, we can improve it through another magic feature. For that, we would go to this apps button on the left side of the screen. We would click it once and we'll scroll down, and here we would find an option, text to image. This one, we would click on this button and it describes, we need to type what we'd like to see and watch it come to life. So we would open this app. This is another AI feature of Canva. Again, if we're using this option for the first time, we can try an example. Boy lost in the jungle, muted colors. So here's how we need to write the prompts. So let's say if we write a call center agent handling an angry customer. So we're going to click this bottom button, which is create your image. So it will give us multiple options to choose among. If we don't like any of the images from these, we can create them again. So the Canva has created different images for us. Let's say we choose this image, and you can see that image is now replaced. If we're not satisfied with this one, we can go back again and we can choose a different image. So this is how you can also use another AI feature of Canva, which is text to image creation, in order to create great visuals for your presentation. Now, if we want to add more pages or more slides into our presentation, we need to go to Design button, and here we need to write what we want in the search box. Let's say we write customer service at call center. So it would give us different templates of the presentation. You can review these templates and choose any slides of your choice. For example, if you want to have a look at this presentation, you need to click it once and it would give you a preview of the slides. Let's say we want to add this slide to our presentation, we would click on this plus button. So it will give us option add template as a new page, replace current page, or add as a new page. We would choose to add it as a new page. So you can see that this slide number 6 is added to our presentation. You can also change the sequence of the slides by simply dragging them through your mouse. Once we are done with the content of our presentation, we can also animate our slides and the text in those slides. For example, if we want to animate the visuals of the presentation, we need to click on the image, and after clicking the image, we would click this button on the top, Animate. So it will give us multiple styles of the animation. You can choose any of the styles, whatever you like. These are some basic styles of the animation. If we go a little bit downwards, it also gives us more advanced animation styles like tumble, neon, scrapbook, stomp. So this style looks well with the presentation, so I would choose this. And then it also gives us option to animate it on the center, on exit, or on both. It also gives us option to choose the movement style like this. So once we're done animating our image, we need to select the text, and we would choose the animation style of our text as well. So this is how our slide looks like. And in similar way, we can add animation to all our slides. If we want, we can also give effects to our text. For that, we need to click on this button, Effects, and it gives us options to choose neon, glitch, echo, or outline options. Or you can also have a background for your text like this. You can also change the background color of the text by clicking on this button. So you can choose any color of your choice. You can also change the background color of the slides. Now there's another option to give animation to the pages or slides. For that, we would select any of the combinations given here. Let's say we choose this style of animation. We would click it. So once we are done with the page animation style we like, we can apply this to all pages all at once by simply clicking on the bottom button, which is apply to all pages. And this way, our page animation would be applied to all our slides. Once we are happy with our presentation animation, in the last, we also need to know that how we can present or export our presentation. In order to present our presentation, we need to click on this button. Present, it gives us option to present the full screen, or it also gives us option to have a presenter view. This option gives us the feature to display two screens on our laptop. One would be for audience, the other one would be for the presenter. The presenter screen is at the back side where we can add notes to the slides. For that, we would click on this edit button, and we can, let's say we want to remember that we need to have intro of the audience at the first slide. So when we'll be presenting, these notes should be available to us as a trainer or presenter. The other option to present is to present and record. In this option, you can present the presentation while recording your voiceover along with your visual, and you can also autoplay the presentation. Let's say we click on this present full screen option. You would click on this present button, and this is how our presentation looks like. And in addition to the presenting option, we also have the multiple options to export our presentation. For that, we would click on this share button, and here we would go to download option, and by clicking on this drop down button, we can see that we can download our presentation in PDF template, we can download our presentation in PowerPoint template, we can download our presentation in MP4 video format, we can download as a JPG presentation or PNG or SVG file, and we can also create a GIF short clip out of our presentation. So there are plenty of options available in Canva to download your presentation. So you can see that Canva's Magic Design is a great feature to make your presentations. And once you get used to of Canva's presentation, you would say goodbye to PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and useful, and it will make your life much easier if you're a trainer or a content creator or a presenter. If you got something new to learn from this video, please hit the subscribe button and notification button as well, so that you can get updates about the upcoming videos on Canva, AI, and content creation. As you can see that I've got lots of other videos as well related to Canva, AI, and content creation on my channel. And please also hit the like button so that this video reaches and helps more people to make their lives easier. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.